Sexy, sexy. What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and tonight I got my little mini paint booth set up in my garage. About to do some camouflage work. This is my first rattle can job, y'all. I'm really excited. I'm doing it at 10 o'clock at night on a Rostic arms. It's 300 blackout. So let's jump in. Well, what I'm actually gonna do with this, so I'm gonna tape the trigger. It's just a mil-spec trigger. I got a radiant safety selector on a 45-degree angle. I'm gonna tape off the trigger. I'm gonna tape off the Surefire War Comp. This pistol for Rostic arms is in 300 blackout. I'm also going to remove the bolt carrier group, as well as the charging handle. But I'm excited. First time rattle canning. This is what our new lowers. You can see it's got much deeper engraving in them now. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna do some tape prep work and then we'll jump right in. All right, now we're gonna wrap our trigger. So I had to move the operation to my front yard because them paint fumes was vicious, but I got green as my base coat. We got green as the base coat, and this is quick dry, so it's supposed to dry in 15 minutes. First Rostic arm rattle can job. Let's see how we come out. So ultimately, there's 3 reasons why somebody would rattle can to me. 1, they don't have it in their budget to get Cerakote. If Cerakote is not in the budget, they rattle can. 2, to stop their gun from sticking out. Black guns stick out. They want to look more like the elements, depending on what their surroundings are. So stuff to match grass, forest, desert, whatever their conditions are. And then 3, the reason I'm doing it, it just looks dope. And it's fun. And it makes the rifle yours. so we added some of the sand, and I'm just striping it now. But I think it looks good. It's coming out pretty good. I'm gonna give that a chance to dry. Then I'm gonna hit it with some black. Now, instead of grabbing a leaf, I was gonna take something like this out of my front yard, but instead, I'm gonna try to spray the black around the tip of the car freshener, just to kind of break that up and see what kind of pattern we get. If I don't like it, then I'll just remix. But let's see. All right, everything is going good. I've been improvising. I used the car freshener instead of some leaves. And I tried not to hit it directly. There's some areas that's flat color that I gotta go over, but all in all, I think this is coming out good. Let me rotate it. So as you can see on this side, I think I went a little heavy with the black. And you can see the holes from the top of the air freshener. I learned as I went further down, don't use the tippy top. But I think in this area, I'm gonna hit it with a little more sand, and then I'm gonna be done. It shall be complete. I'll leave it outside to dry for the night. All right, y'all, I'm done. I'm gonna let it dry, and in the morning, I'm gonna see what it's hitting on. I think I'm very happy with the results. I think so, man. But we'll see in the morning. All right, guys, it's the next morning. I woke up, it's about 7 o'clock. Before I even take my kid to school, I had to check it out. I do think I wanna do the charger handle for it, but not right now. I'm gonna leave that black too. So I'm gonna unwrap it and let's see why I finished up. So there it is. Now, I do want to get I have a light upstairs. It's just a little Smith & Wesson M&P light I'm gonna throw on there. There definitely was some quote unquote problem areas. Like I would have liked to hit just the edge of that mag wheel a little better. I accidentally touched that last night. You can see a little bit of raw metal showing because I used a raw lower. And same thing right here, you see that light spot. That's raw. But the beauty of this is you just paint it back up. Like there's not much to it. Backside came out pretty deep. Decent, really. Yeah. The beauty is, I think right there I might have smudged it. But you just start back over. I love how it stayed raw under the safety. I thought that was kind of cool. On this side it didn't because it dripped, but I thought that was cool too. So there's little things that when I do the next one, I'm in no little problem areas, especially with my lowers. I think it came out great. I'm gonna touch it up a little bit before I run it though. But yeah, great. Next day updates. Now that it's daylight, I went back and I finished the brace and I did some touch-up spots. Like under here, spots where there was just raw aluminum showing. I did kind of mess up. Not really mess up, but the logo, I accidentally dripped some grain on it, so I just splattered some more stuff on it, and good to go. I did get a little paint on the trigger, being lazy not retaping it, but that's okay. As long as everything functions like it's supposed to. I think this is about to be a sweet 300 blackout.